Grundfos has been a leader in pumps and pumping solutions for more than 7 decades.
We are true purpose-driven. We strongly believe in businesses going after the sustainability goals, and Grundfos has chosen to go for water and sanitation for everyone.
Digitalization is a very important part of our journey and our transformation as a company. Digitalization is the tool via which we take our applications expertise and can actually go from offering pumps to offering pumping solutions.
Well, since the beginning of our collaboration, we've been working jointly together, even on an R&D level, meaning that Grundfos would ask us at Siemens, how do we manufacture together a solution with Siemens motors that run more seamlessly, run more to the limits of what is possible in the pump arena?
Danish Crown is a worldwide food manufacturer. We are producing 9 billion meals a year. It's very expensive for us when we have downtime. It's very important that our system is up and running.
We are helping them with C-Driver IQ to gain that optimum or that maximum uptime. The whole idea behind what we're doing together in our pilot project we're doing at Danish Crown together is actually utilizing the Semotics Connect box to derive and transform valuable data.
We are working with Siemens and Danish Crown to demonstrate our connectivity solutions. And in this example, we are relying on Siemens MindSphere to be that advanced cloud solution.
Today we have an early warning, so we can see there's a problem with the pump and we can maintain the pump outside our production time.
That's really how we try to innovate together with real customer cases. How can we connect our pumps into MindSphere without losing our IPR on the expertise we have, but still combining it with the great skills of Siemens in there to help the customer. So really working collaborative together with the customer, sitting around the same table, solving the same problem.
It's very exciting to be with a project like this, because when Grundfos and Siemens and Danish Crown and all our knowledge, you will get the best and the right solution the first time.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.